Hey there folks, Root Beer here, looking at the grade 9 math contest, the Pascal, so the grade 9 multiple choice math contest from the year 2006, and we're up to question number 10, so if you have your pencils ready, let's dive in and have a look-see. Alright, question 10. In the subtractions shown, m and n each represent a single digit, so they could be, m could be 9 and n could be 2, but you could never have n be something like 11 or 12. That has multiple digits. Okay, so each of them represent a single digit. What is the value of m plus n? Okay, so we really just have one equation here with our m and our n. Maybe there's a way to just figure out m plus n without working out m and n, but I sort of like these questions where you have to logically think through and say what could m be? What could n be? That sort of stuff. So I'm going to actually work out m and n from our given equation. So we know m4 minus 1n gets me 36, right? Yeah. Okay. So n, what could n possibly be? Well, from how do we normally do subtraction? If I had something like 94 minus 12, just to put some real numbers in there in case we needed to. How do we actually do a subtraction like this? Well, we go to the ones column and we say, can I do 4 minus 2? Yeah, okay, so 4 minus 2 is 2, and then I go to the next column, 9 minus 1, 8. But if we had some sort of situation like, 5 here, we'd say, oh, can I do 4 minus 5? No, 4 isn't big enough to take away from 5, so we have to borrow 1 from the 9. That leaves us with 8. We sort of split the 9 up into the 1 plus 8. This 1 becomes goes over here with the 4. We get 14 minus 5. We can do that. That's 9. 8 minus 1, 79. Okay. So, I ask myself, 4 minus n should sort of leave me 6. Now, maybe I have to borrow 1 and it's 14 minus n. But it's going to have to be one of those two. So either 4 minus n equals 6 or 14 minus n equals 6. And we've borrowed a 1. Okay. So, of these two, which can happen? Well, if we rearrange, we'll get 4 is equal to 6 plus n. If n's a single digit, you can't. It's going to have to be non-negative. 6 plus something being equal to 4, n would have to be negative 2. So that can't happen. So we have to have this situation, and it'll be n is equal to 8. Okay? And 14 minus 6 is n. You'd be all set there. So n's going to have to be 8. Well, what can we do? We know we've borrowed a 1 from there, but we actually, if we rewrite the equation, knowing that n has to be 8, we have enough to just solve for m4. Okay? Because we know that m4 minus 18 is equal to 36. Well, just rearrange m4 is 18 plus 36, and that's going to be 54. M is going to have to be equal to 5. And now I know m, I know n, and we are all set. And I think 13 was C. No, 15 is C. 13 is down here with D. So our answer is going to be D13. And that's the last question in part A. If we've got them all right, we have 5 marks per question without guessing, anything like that. 5 times 10, we have 50 marks. That's a third of the contest already done. Okay? And it hasn't been that hard so far, I would say. You out there might disagree, in which case I would recommend, keep trying these, keep practicing, get it down to where you can really do the part A questions quite fast. But as for me, I'm going to move on to part B, so I'll see you guys for question number 11 in the next video. So long for now.